Hey, Lance is leaving.
Well, here's a piece of luck, Hunter. Your car's going to fit right in here.
Yes, my boy. I do have something for you. Something for me. That's first. Randy. Halt, police! My attorney now.
Shut up. Do you know what's going on around here?
I'm lost. I admit it.
An RBI single, a stolen base, and a run scored in the fifth. That is life. Fair over the bag at first. Rolling down the right field line. This is going to tie it. It might win it. The Marlins walk off the Cubs.
I told you it's been an exciting game.
The Marlins' magic continues in Miami.
The Marlins walk off the Cubs.
Who's shooting at whom?
I think it's a free-for-all.
Works for me.
Right down in that hole.
Works for me.
Those two guys are weird.
This is L56, Hunter and McCall, mid-watch clear.
L56.